This is the downstream. Just try to understand. This motion, upper motion is downstream, and the lower motion is upstream. In the downstream, the velocity is u plus v, because person is moving in the direction of motion of the water, so the motion of water will be added up in the velocity of main. So in the downstream, the velocity is v plus u, and in the upstream, listen carefully, in the upstream, v minus u, you can't say u minus v. Listen carefully. In the upstream, the swimmer is moving with v velocity, तो स्विमर की वेलोसिटी ज्यादा होनी जरूरी है, so it should be v minus u. So if we talk about the, if distance is d, that is given, in the downstream distance is d, and in upstream the distance is d. So time taken in downstream is distance upon velocity, that is u plus v, and in upstream it is t1 and it is t2 in upstream, that is d upon v minus u. Don't write u minus v. Ankit, Mr. VIP, how are you? Ankit, how are you today? अभी जो ज्वाइन किया है अंकित, टोटल टाइम, अंकित आर यू लिसनिंग मी?
सर वो अनिकेत है।
अनिकेत है, सॉरी अनिकेत बेटे, हाउ आर यू? अनिकेत, चलो fine bete, but why you are behaving like a VIP, always joining 5 to 7 minutes late in the class? Acha, okay, so it will be d by v square minus u square, it is the answer, into, ध्यान से देखेंगे आप, इसको अगर मैं ऐड करूं, एक स्टेप मैंने छोड़ दिया यहाँ पे, जस्ट वी हैव टू मेक इट क्लियर. अब इसको हम ऐड करेंगे, द एलसीएम विल बी v स्क्वायर माइनस u स्क्वायर, and here it is d into v minus d into u plus d into u plus d into v. du will cancel out, there is 2 dv upon v square minus u square. This is the answer. Is it okay, beta? Is the question clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Can we move to the next? See, motion of a man, just we are going to analyze generally the motion of a man swimming in the river or a boat. Listen carefully. There is a person who can swim in water. Let's say the velocity is 5 meters per second. The person can swim in still water with a velocity of 5 meters per second. Suppose the person is moving in this direction, perpendicular to the, he is keeping himself perpendicular to the 5 kilometer, just I have to write 5 kilometer, 5 kilometer per hour. Keeping himself perpendicular to the direction of flow of water, and the water is flowing in the river. Suppose this is the 3 kilometer per hour. Now see, there are two observers. One observer is on the shore, means on the bank of the river, and another observer is in the boat in the same river. Means this observer is also moving with the 3 km/h with the flow of river, and this observer is stationary. Listen carefully. This is the stationary observer. This is the observer which is in the boat and has the motion same to the flow of water. Now see, for observer 1, if we talk about observer 1, what they observe? They observe the person is moving in this path, a straight path. For observer 1, motion of swimmer is on a straight line. Straight line perpendicular to the flow of water. Listen carefully. For observer 1, I'm talking about 1. This observer observes that the person is moving on a straight path perpendicular to the velocity of water. But for this observer, for second observer, the motion of the person is on this path. Means he is crossing the river with the speed of 5 km/h, and at the same time he is flowing with water at the speed of 3 km/h, which is the speed of water. Means this motion is of swimmer is at an angle theta with the flow of water, and that theta is what? That, see, this is the theta, and this theta is, this is 5. If we draw the triangle here, this will be 5 and this will be 3. Means theta is tan inverse 5/3 with the flow of river. Is it clear, bete? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. If we talk about the time taken by the swimmer, see, time taken to cross the river. See, if someone wants to cross the river, it means he has to cover the distance in this direction. This is the distance which he has to cover to cross the river. Suppose this distance is 500 meters, then the distance the person has to cover is 500, and velocity in this direction 500, just we have to change it into kilometer because speed is in kilometer, so I'm just taking it in kilometer. It is 1/2 kilometers, that is the distance, and the speed in this direction. Listen carefully, just you have to use only that speed which is in this direction, and that speed is what? 5 km/h. Are you getting the point? That is 1/10 hours it means that is 6 minutes. Means person will cross the river in 6 minutes. Is it clear, bete?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now the question is how long it will move in the direction. क्या बेटा?
रिपीट करते हैं एक बार.
गुड. देखो मैंने क्या कहा, मैंने कहा कि अगर एक पर्सन रिवर को क्रॉस करना चाहता है, इट मींस ही हैज टू कवर दिस डिस्टेंस. ये करना है बेटे.
Yes, sir.
डिस्टेंस इसको कितना कवर करना है? 500 मीटर, एंड दैट बिकम्स 1/2 किलोमीटर. दिस इज 1/2 किलोमीटर. एम आई राइट बेटे? और इस डायरेक्शन में इसकी वेलोसिटी कितनी है? वी डोंट हैव टू सी द टोटल वेलोसिटी और वेलोसिटी इन अदर डायरेक्शंस. जिस डायरेक्शन में डिस्टेंस कवर करना है, जस्ट वी हैव टू सी, वी हैव टू टेक ओनली दैट वेलोसिटी. इट मींस द वेलोसिटी इन दिस डायरेक्शन, in this direction, person is keeping himself always perpendicular
Your
to the
voice is lagging.
of
सर लैग कर रही है.
velocity.
Your voice is lagging.
So velocity in this direction is 5 km per hour. Like just today. One minute, bete. Is it clear now, beta?
Yes, sir.
Good. Just listen carefully. So I'm repeating. पर्सन, इस आदमी को 500 मीटर डिस्टेंस कवर करना है और इस डायरेक्शन में वो पर्सन 5 किलोमीटर पर आवर के स्पीड से मूव कर रहा है. तो हमें सिर्फ डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन, देखिए पिछले प्रोजेक्टाइल मोशन में हमने क्या पढ़ा? यू कैन डील द मोशन अलोंग y एक्सिस सेपरेटली एंड मोशन अलोंग x एक्सिस सेपरेटली. When the motion are perpendicular to each other, then we can separate the motion and deal separately. तो यहाँ पे क्या है कि this person is moving in this direction with the speed of 5 km per hour, and in this direction, due to the flow of water, it is flowing with 3 km per hour. So if someone wants to cross the river, it means he has to take the speed of 5 km per hour only. Because in this direction its speed is only this. So I have taken 5 km per hour, the speed and distance 1/2, and then it is 1/10 hours, that means 66 minutes. Is it clear, bete? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now think about this distance, how much distance he has covered in the direction of flow of river. Means यहां से डायरेक्टली अपोजिट पॉइंट से कितने डिस्टेंस पे जाके वो दूसरे बैंक पे फॉल करेगा. दिस इज B. just we have to find this distance. It means what? We have to find distance covered by the person